Okay, so we made it to the other side. Tango's being the one. He's the strongest swimmer out of all of them. You got it, bear dog. Let's go. Tango bear. He'll figure it out. He's a good boy. Come on, Tango. You're a good boy. Yes. Glory God, no God, Tango bear. Yes. You got it, boy dog. You got it. Good job. Oh, look at that. You're four-wheeling good times. Oh, it's kind of deep, though. He's okay. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Otis, I'm so proud of you. You did such a good job. You did, boy dog. You did. Let's go. You guys want to hang out up there? There's nothing up there, stupid. Let's go downhill. The other side. Yeah. Oh, I know. Let's grab one of these pieces of driftwood. Toss it out yonder. Oh, it's just kind of chilling right there. Oh, it's a dead spot. When it goes a little bit further, like, it goes pretty fast. Move, bear dog! You got it. You got it. Oh, yeah, look at all this. Pretty cool, huh, babies? I know, you guys did good. I'm glad you didn't follow me. I would have been scared. Then we're going to go down there a little bit. Okay.